Hey guys, this is the Protective Father here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to go over an AR-15 build, except this is going to be part one of 3 parts. So this video I'm just going to go over all the parts that I bought, the price, and where I got them from. So if you're looking to actually watch somebody build an AR-15, wait until part 2 comes out and I'll show you that. So if you're interested, this is all my parts, the price, where I got it from. So I'm going to start with all 3 of these parts were $150 all together. I don't have the receipt. It's actually in my truck, I believe. But I do know it's $150 for all 3 parts. So I have my buffer tube, standard buffer tube, nothing fancy. Bought a stock, which I'm not actually sure if this is going to match my upper, so I might have to buy a new stock. It's a Defiance DS150 though. I like it. It's pretty nice. It's really comfortable. Good pad on it. And then my lower, which it's an Anderson lower. It's a stripped lower too, so you just throw all the parts in. Has a little "Don't Tread on Me" snake there. It's on the side. Yeah, has the pew pew. So there's my lower. So all 3 of those together was $150. I'm sure you can get it cheaper too. I do know the lowers, if you just get a bare basic lower, you can get it about $15 cheaper than that. So let's move on. Let's see here. Alright, so this is an armorer's wrench. I bought this off Walmart.com. Came with a sticker, and this was around $20. Nothing fancy. This is my first AR build too, so I looked up the basic tools I'm going to need, and this was recommended. I don't know if this is a good brand of a wrench or not. We'll find out in the next video. Let's see here. Got a little brass hammer, and I got this roll pin punch set, and it had mixed reviews on this, which is why I bought this little hammer, because it says that the tips of these break, the roll pin punches. So, but also the review said that if you use an appropriate hammer for it, that they'll be just fine. So the roll pin punch set was $9.99, also Walmart.com, and this was like $6 and some change, also Walmart.com. And I believe that's all the tools that I bought. Gonna move on to the magazine. And I wanted a custom magazine. I'll buy a couple magpoles too, but here is my magazine. And this, I don't actually remember what website I bought this off of, but I will find out and I put it in the description below. So there it is, both sides. I also want some magazines that if I do a drop, mag drop, that won't scratch it. So then we're going to move on to the bolt carrier group. I bought this all one piece. Sorry for the scratching. That is my cat down there. If you can see him. Down. So, bolt carrier group. Bought it all assembled already. And this was $87.49 after taxes. It's $79.99 plus $7.50 shipping. And this was bought at surplusammo.com. And again, part 3, at the end of that video, I'll do a review on all the parts, because right now I don't know if they're good, if any of them are bad. So at the end of part 3, I will review all the parts to make sure they're functioning properly. Okay, what's next? Charging ammo. And I bought a lot of custom stuff here. So if you can see that, they're out of the people to keep and bear arms. The American flag on it. I'm not sure if I had that upside down. And this was bought off tacticalexpressions.com. There's that. So you check this one. Does not say. I believe the price was around $30. I will look that up and make sure. Came with a couple stickers too. But I believe the price was around $30, $35 on that. I was banking on the receipt to say the price. Okay, moving on. Only one thing left. Well, one package left. So I have the buffer. I have the buffer tube spring. Trigger assembly, takedown pins. Yeah, the whole basic lower assembly in this package right there. I have the pistol grip, which I can already tell you that I will be purchasing a different one, but this one will work for now. I just don't like the feel of it. It's very cheap feeling. Trigger guard, which I'll probably end up buying a bigger one. That way, I like to shoot during the winter too. I'll be able to wear gloves and won't have a problem with it. So that's just a standard one. So I'll end up switching that one out eventually too. I got my end plate and castle nut for the buffer tube in stock. And I believe that's everything. Oh, I didn't go over the price of that. So that is from AR-15. What is it? AR15discount.com. Double check. Oh, I don't know if I'm supposed to show you this or not. It came with this little message right here. Hopefully that is right. So, all that total was $81.04 after taxes. It was $71.04 before taxes, and that is the buffer tube, buffer spring, end plate, castle nut, and the lower parts kit. So all that together was $81.04. So that is, the upper. There's a little delay on the upper right now. It doesn't ship out until June 15th. I ordered it off opticsplanet.com and they were on back order. They're getting hit pretty hard right now. It's hard to get parts from them. So part 1, part 2 is not going to include the upper. Part 3 is when I will put it all together. The upper, I'll just snap it in with the takedown pins, and then we'll take it out and shoot it. That'll be part 3. So stay tuned for part 2. That'll be me filming the build, which it's my first AR build, so I'll be using this, which I bought off Amazon for around $15. And it's actually pretty cool. Well, like, look at it. Don't mind the messy bar. So it's a step-by-step guide to do it. I just flipped to a random page too. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Hopefully this manual is all I need in worst case scenario. YouTube will show me all. So part 2 will probably be it's probably going to be a lot of cut videos edited together, showing each step individually. I probably won't do any talking because I'm learning how to do this, so I'm not going to try and teach anyone how to do this. But if somebody is trying to learn also, they'll be able to watch me after I've watched videos or read this. But I don't want to explain and try to walk somebody through it and sound ignorant when it's my first build. So this is the Protective Father, and I'll see you for part 2.